I'm Danny Brown with Compass. Welcome to the hottest area in LA. This is north of Montana in Santa Monica. This is a John Andrews white brick traditional 3-level home over 6,000 feet with an elevator, with a media room, and only 3 blocks to the Brentwood Country Mart. Come check this out. I'm sitting here in the heart of the home, the family room, which is off the beautiful kitchen with a banquette, surrounded by a courtyard with fountains on one side, the backyard and patio on the other side with heaters. There's also a secondary patio with fountain off the dining room. It's just a great place to hang and spend time with your family and friends. When you work your way upstairs, you can see how the architect creatively positioned the home to capture the southwest views out of every window, so you get natural light and greenery everywhere you look. This house has an incredible indoor-outdoor vibe. Ends up in the yard with this patio with heaters, grassy privacy, hedge. You can drop in a pool if you wanted. If you want to see it in person, give me a call.